Svikriti is saying 2, Yashishwini 2. Yes, the answer is 2 only, right? Answer is very clear. Star PTR equals to ARR. It is P. We are pointing to 1 plus 1, 2. It is 2. Very simple question. Now this is little tricky. Observe this, look into this carefully and return your answer. You have to evaluate it, my dears. Don't return just like that. Does not this look like a little complex, sir? Too many stars. Okay. Come on, return the answer.
नहीं नहीं मन कर रहा है पीने का.
लड़के ना लगा था सीलिंग में. हाँ वो टाइप से लगाओ ताकि मतलब रोशनी कटवाई बात तब ना कटवाई ला ये ना का हो कौन सा कटवाना मुक्का कटेला
D compilation error. If you are not sure, then how can you say that it's a compilation error, my dear?
है ना उठा के ना बक्सा बनाए तब हमें गोल से काटी ना बात में ये लाइट लगाओ लगी अगवा
अरे पानी मत दो यार, मन नहीं कर रहा है प्लीज यार.
Come on. Evaluate it. You can get it easily. Not a big deal.
बीच में लेटी अपन कर देती है, जल्दी जाता ना.
Come on. No answers. Sir, in print statement star many lead to error. Okay. Many lead to error. Huh? let the others do and return the answer. We'll look into that. Come on, no one returning? What happened? Okay, let me check. So what is that? Oh, just have a look. 1 second, ma. 1 second. What happened? Yeah, okay, fine. So C I T E by Mohit is saying it is C I T E. Okay, let me evaluate it. So my ARR, okay, I'll take ARR. Okay, this is my ARR. It is a pointer array. So I have got bike, right? Bus, car, van, right? So this is my array. है ना? Assume that this is at 200. 200, 1, 2, 3. This is 204, 5, 6, 207, 8, 9, 210. These are the addresses that I have with ARR. Now, PTR is the pointer to pointer, right? Now, this is what star star PTR. PTR is what this with the same size, yes, of course, and it is pointing to ARR plus 3. Plus 3 is what? 0, 1, 2, 3. It is 210, and then it is 207, and then it is 204, and then it is 200. Yes? Yes, it is. Now what? Char star star B equals to PTR. So this is my P. Okay? Being as pointer to pointer to pointer, it is pointing to 210. Absolutely fine. Now, plus plus P. Okay. Value at pointer P. Plus P. First, you are going to get what? Plus plus P. Plus plus P is what? It is 207. Okay, 207 is what? Car plus P, value at. So PTR, P value at PTR, value at P is 207. Value at P is what? It is 207 car. Okay, let me give the values here. So this is maybe at 100, 200, 300 and 400 at this location. Now your P is pointing to 100, right? So first, if I say this is your P is pointing to 100, being as pointer to pointer to pointer. If I say star P, what is that? P is 100, star P is 210, right? Star P is what? Car. Not 200. 100. 100 is pointing to 210. That is van. Okay. Van. Value at value. That is P. That is van here. Okay. Triple star means what? Exact position. Exact van. Fine. Now then, the next question is what? Next statement is what here? Given it as star plus P. So plus P from 100 to the next position, that is 200. At 207 is what? It is 207. I mean, it is car. Now star plus P, that equals to 210 plus, right? It is incremented to 207. It is car. It is car. Now in the print statement, I am printing a string. What is that string I am printing here? Star plus 2. That means one more incrementation. P is now pointing to here now. So after this statement, P is pointing to 107. Then one more incrementation of P pointing to 300. In the 300, it is bus, right? It is bus. If it is bus, then it is value at that. So that is 204. Okay, let me write the statement completely. So star minus star plus P. Okay, plus P. P is here. So 204. 204 is bus. So then star minus star 204 plus that is 200. Okay, plus 204. That is what? Further, it is star minus star plus 204 is 200.
It's not. I'm
Value.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, one second.
It came to 204 from, in the print statement, not from the above.
Wait, here it is also plus 2.
Yes, sir. If you consider that statement, it is going to 207.
Did I mistake? Did I do any mistake there? Where? Let me check. So first, what is that? First star. Okay. Let me go once again. So the evaluation part is very important. So if you are not P first, like P equals to 1 to 10, right? And then in this here plus P, right? It is 204, right? So star plus P, that equals to star 200. P equals to 100. Then star plus P means 200. This is what it is. Yes, am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then you are moving one step ahead. What is that? In the print statement, again it is star minus minus star plus plus p. So here from 200 to 300. So it is a star minus minus star 300, value at 300, right? Value at 300 is what? It is 204. So it is nothing but minus minus 204. 204 minus minus is what? It is 204 minus minus is what? It is 200. So value at 200 is what? It is pi. If it is by, what is that you are doing? You are doing 200 plus 2. That means 0, 1, 2. This is 2. That means 0, 1, 2, 3. From 2 and 3. It should be KE. Yes, it is KE. Is that clear? Is that clear, everyone? Yes or no? Did you noted this? This is little tricky, right? By seeing the question itself, initially you said that it is little confusion. So that it should be noted. Right. Very good, Lakshmi. Very good.
Savadas.
Then just move on to the next one. H, very simple. Take a cheap question. What is that answer? Not declare the type of ARR. What is that? After such complex question, now finding the element. Who is this? B. Some people are saying it is B. Now finding the element and index. Lakshmi, is that really that much easy? Not declared type of array. Sai Arsha. Hence the answer is what? Svikriti is saying it is C. Lakshmi, I was waiting if I missed something in the question. It is 2. Yeah, okay. Yashashwini is saying it is compilation error. Sai Harsha C. C is compilation error. Okay. Okay. Now, can you tell me why it is compilation error, Yashashwini?
बस ही पूछता है, इसी वजह से नहीं चालू करता है। जगह बैठे उसको डाउट क्लियर करे, खुद पता नहीं है तो पूछ रहा है हमसे।
Array can't be defined in preprocessor. Very good, excellent. That is the answer. Okay, so hash define is used to assign alias name to what? To constants only. Okay, so I can hash define, right? As define 10 as 10. So a constant value given as 10. So that I can write for I equals to 10. I greater than equals to 0. I minus minus. Valid now. Why? 10 is given as a constant name. Okay. Hash defines are used to assign alias names to constants only. It may be a string constant, integer constant, floating constant. But here it is a structure. A list of values cannot be assigned as error of 5. This is invalid. So it is compilation error. Very good, Yashashwini. Exactly, absolutely the fine answer. Excellent. Excellent. Now, the next question. Now it is simple for you. Swikriti is saying it is C. Very good. Quick answer. Now it is clear. ABCD is the string constant and given as error. And now I am saying error of 2. Error of 2 is what? Absolutely it is C. Very good. Excellent. Lakshmi, madam, what happened? Siddharth, are you there? Mohit, just missed it. Yeah. Not a big deal. Yeah, C2. Hey, C2. This answer, huh? Okay. Mohit has returned as 2. Answer C. Okay, Lokesh is also saying it is 2. 0 of 2. This is pretty dead cheap question. It is 2 only. So I already just now in the previous example somewhere I told you that I can write ARR of 0 or 0 of ARR. Anything is okay. Anything is okay. So now it is 2. Very dead cheap question. Now look into this carefully. Come on. Do it. Hi Harsha, what is the doubt? Hash define input for I equals to 0 less than and I plus plus 3 in ARR of I. But this valid hash input is the alias name for this. For I equals to 0 I less than n I plus plus 3 in ARR of I. No, not valid, I think so. This has template, huh? Yeah, I have to work on it. Yeah, Swikriti is saying it is A, address of the first element in an
नहीं
array.
पता है इसको तो क्या बताएगा अरे क्या मास्टर
Good. One answer I got. It has A. Yes, seems C, sir. Yes, by whom Mohit is saying B3. Ramya B, Swikriti A, seems C, sir. Change that mind to C. Address of PTR, Lakshmi is saying it is 3. Yeah, very good. Come on, any other answers? Runtime error by Ganesh. Lasha is saying it is A. What is the question? I'm not saying. It is what? 2 of 3, yeah? Okay, 2 rows, 3 columns, done. Star PTR. PTR equals to address of A. This is what your PTR. Very good. Now, array, you are calling the function array and you are passing the PTR. PTR is what? Address. It is 100, 104, 108 and 112, 116, 120. Good. Now this is what you are getting here is 100 PTRP. So your P is also pointing to the same location. This is also fine. Being as a pointer to pointer, it is pointing to 100. Very good. So that you are printing what? Value at P. It is 3 only, na? It is 3. Absolutely 3. Yes, my dears, it is 3 only, not A or not C. It is the value 3. Okay, is that clear? Fine. Now, we'll look into some case condition related. But sir, address of PTR is the address of pointer, right? Address of PTR is address of pointer, that is 100. Yes, of course, Swikriti. So, PTR is 100. You are returning what? Address of ARR, and here to the array you are passing what? Pointer. To hold that pointer, it is this. Now, it is like ARR is 100. Okay, and PTR is 100. Assume that it is at 200, and P is a pointer to pointer which is pointing to 200. This is what it is. Assume that it is 100. Now, value of P 200. Star P, that means value at 200. That is what? 100. Now, star P, that means what? Value at 100. That is what? 3. Swikriti, is that clear? So that's why I always ask you to evaluate. So if you evaluate it, then you will get the answer. Okay, how you are getting, you will know that. Fine, very good. Anyway, you guys are really excellent. Now, we'll work on some switch related MCQs here. Just look at this carefully and return your answer. D. Mohit is saying D. Hi, Baya. That much fast. Oh, what is that? Integer I equals to 1. Switch I. Case 1. Print high. Because break is not there. Very good. It is. So default also prints. It is high by. Very good. Now look at this. A. A apple. Is that A for apple? If it is A for apple, and then it should be B. Should be B for ball, right? Why it is Bing? Then the answer is apple. Apple is the right answer. Excellent. Excellent. Now, it's A for apple, B for Bing only. No, in my school days, it is B for ball. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. So here I have used case 65. Here I have used character. Okay. Yeah, it's Bluetooth only. Yes. And then W for Wi-Fi. WhatsApp, huh? Yeah, excellent. In that case, T for Telegram, huh? F for Facebook.
मजा ले रहा है.
Yeah, written the answer. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so what is the answer here? It is absolutely fine. I can have one case constant and integer and one case constant as character. Doesn't matter. So answer is compilation error. Now the thing is that why it is a compilation error? Oh, one second, my dears. 185, 285. Hold on. I can put it to 275. How error it will look line by line and then break. So what is that I am missing here? Integer I equals to 65. Very good. Switch I, it is fixed 65. Case 65. Okay, this is fine. Now what is this case A? A value is 65. Again, can you have both at a time? No. So that's why it is compilation error. Is that clear? I already mentioned that it is 65, here it is a character. But you did not look into that. Right. So you cannot have duplicate cases over there. Why it will go to case A? No, it is compile time only. If you are reaching to case A means what? It is runtime error. But here on compilation only, it will identify that we have got two cases with 65 and it is not allowed by the compiler. So at the time of compilation, you are getting that error. So that's why it is compilation error. Harsha? Okay. No, case constants. Okay, in that case, we should go with so switch. So a switch expression, I can say this as expression. So if I say, whenever I say expression, it can be a variable, or it can be a directly constant, or it can be a condition. All these three are allowed. So I can write switch 10. I can write switch A, or I can write switch A not equals to 10. Anything is okay. All these three things are okay. If I say, whenever I say expression, it may be either a variable, constant, or condition, right? Likewise, if you are looking into case here what? Syntax constant only. Okay, what kind of constants are allowed? Only integer constants and character constants. So I can write case A, or I can write case 66 allowed. But I can't write case 3.2 not allowed. Okay, I can't write case AA, a string, not allowed. These two are not allowed. Okay, fine. Now, the next one. C char. Okay. Mohit is saying it is C. I B character CH equals to B. CH comma I. 65 B and this. Okay. Jai Ganesh is saying it is integer. Siddharth, Lasya, Lakshmi, and the other people, Mohit already written. Yeah, Mohit written it as C. Right. Avinash, Harsha, Deepak, Yashashwin, Ganesh, not Mohit. Who is that? Swikriti, Ramya. Yeah, Ramya is saying it is C. Lakshmi, it is char. But the answer is integer only. Okay. So now, how you are getting integer? Now the question. So here I got A equals to 1, comma 2, comma 3. What is the value of A here? Tell me.
3.
Yeah, A equals to 1, right? Now, likewise, A equals to, I am saying 1, comma 2, comma 3. Now, what is the value of A here? Obviously, it is 3, right? So, this is the associativity of this is what? From right to left. Associativity of comma is what? From left to right. So, you are going to have A here, but here you are going to have 3 here. So now it is I65B. So switch B. So I is going to be read. It is 65 and you are printing integer 65. Okay? Fine. Very good. Harsha is saying it is A. A. Case 2 executed. Okay. Y case 2 executed. Integer I equals to 1. I plus plus that is 2. Then I minus minus case 2 executed. Yes, very good. It is clear. It is clear. Yes, yes, yes. It is. Hey, not B. It is case 2. Case 2, Amma. It is post decrementation. So I is 1, I plus plus, that I incremented to 2. Now switch is 2. 2 minus minus. First switch 2 will execute. So this executed. Then I becomes 1. So case 2 executed. 2 is the right answer. Yeah, very good. Now look at this. It is now simple. I already told you that for switch, it could be any expression. 2 by 3. What is that 2 by 3 is going to return?
Error. B.
So in that case, what will be the answer? Default block. Obviously 2 by 3 is 0. There is no case 0. So the answer is B. Default block. Right? Perfect. Perfect. Look into this. Observe. Don't just return just like that. Lasya is saying it is B. sir, that is for the previous question. Huh? Okay, ma, no problem. Okay. Samrat is saying it is a compilation error. Harsha B, case 1 executed. Okay. Jay Ganesh, A. Very good. Come on, the other guys. Swikriti, come on. Lasha, A. Compilation error. Swikriti, A. Compilation error. Case statements need constants, not variables. Who is that? Jay Ganesh. You are thinking of that. Make sure of it. Since semicolon is there after case semicolon, come on, what? You guys are really awesome, huh? Okay, consider it as colon only. Colon only. It's my bad. Typo error. Always try to find errors from my side, huh? Samarth. What is that? Kalvar. Samarth Kalvar. Am I right? Samarth Kalvar. Yeah. Now, what is it? It is compilation error. Now, why it is compilation error? Why it is compilation error? That is the question. So I already told you that switch can have expression, whereas case mandatory. What is that? Constant only. But here you got I plus 1. It is what? Expression. Not at all allowed. Not at all allowed. I plus 1 is not at all allowed. So case I, okay. Case 1, okay. I plus 1, not okay. Done. Very simple. Right? Now tell me.
नहीं मतलब error हो गया अब तो error 100%. अगर n को 1.5 into 4 लेंगे 4 भी constant होना चाहिए 4 into 1.5 कितना होता है 6.
D by Lasha. D compilation error. Very good. Save energy by Mohit. Swikriti is also saying D. Harsha D. Okay. Harsha D. Mohit D. Swikriti D. Mohit C. Save energy. Jai Ganesh also C. Save energy. What is this? Has defined n equals to 1.5. Very good. I equals to 6. This is also good. Switch I, it is a 6. It is also 6. Just now I told you that what is that you cannot have expressions here. So that it is a compilation error. How you are going to get to save energy? Come on, my dears. For the previous question only we have seen I plus 5 I said not allowed. Expressions are not allowed. For the case, it should be constant directly, no expressions are allowed. So that we can't save energy now. Yeah. Of course. In this case, it is not possible. So if you want to save energy, you should go in a proper way, na? No, we are not going to consider that. So hash define is there, it is allowed. Okay, it is allowed. But the thing is that first here expressions are not allowed. Even case float are also not allowed. N is a floating value. Case N also not allowed. Floating values are not allowed. You got my point? Right. Now look into this.
क्या कह देते हैं
I love ABCD alphabets. Right?
I love
In the switch, it is directly expression. What is that and what you are going to print? Try to evaluate it.
3 plus क्या लिखा है 3 plus I love उसके बाद ABCD plus 3 इसका मतलब क्या हुआ यार पागल है क्या कल्ले कल्ले 4 5 6 ई तो नहीं है सी लग रहा है ग्रेट लिनक्स
Swikriti is saying it is D. Great Linux. Okay. Is that really great? I don't know. Yashashwin is saying Windows. Deepika is saying Windows. Okay, Swikriti is all, no. Deepika is saying all the above. Swikriti is saying all the above. Yashashwin is saying D, Windows, huh? Okay, very good. Come on. Harsha, C, great Linux. Okay, great Linux, huh? Come on. Okay, let me evaluate it. Now, what is this string? It is 3 plus I love ABCD. This is all one string only and plus 3. Right? Yeah. Okay, Lakshmi. It's okay, no problem. Let me evaluate this. So we have a string over there and 3 plus. Okay, so 3 plus I love. So 1, 2, 3, and then 6, 1, 2, 3, and the next character is what? A star A value at A. This is value at A. Okay, so this statement is nothing but star 6 plus I love A B C D. Okay, 6 means what? 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is it. So value at this position is what? A. So switch A. Switch A is what? Apple Mac. Yes, it is. So to confuse you, we have given like this. So this is what playing tricks. And here also you may confuse here. I love space is also there, but here also space is there. So I love ABCD. It is this. So hence the answer is Apple Mac. Is that clear?
कहाँ
Okay.
कहाँ
Very
चाहिए
good.
बताओ
Fine. Fast. Character STR1 first. Character STR2
मेरा
second.
नाक फूल गया
These are 2 pointers
15 दिन और
pointing to unnamed locations. First and second. Now switch STR.
बंद हो गए
Switch
नहीं यार
value as STR.
बंद किस लिए
Case
करेंगे
first.
सर
Hussein Bolt. Case second. Justin Gatlin. break. Default, others. What is the answer? Yeah, Hussein Bolt by Swikriti. Very good. Very good. A and Harsha, D, others, both will print. Okay. Okay, Jay Ganesh, others. Harsha, both A and B, both will print. Okay. Mohit, it is a fall through since after case first no break. Okay. Hence the output is what? Okay, I already gave D. Okay, very good. D, others. Fine. But here we have break, na? So that's why it is others, huh? So both A and B gets printed. Okay, very good. Very good. But the answer is what? A equals to first, star1, star2, str2, second, print, switch str of 1. Str of 1 equals to first, right? Fine. Why it is compilation error? Now tell me. All you have given the wrong answers only. Only Praneeth has given C as the right answer just now before revealing the answer. He posted due to the string in the case. Excellent. So I already told you that the string constants are not allowed here. How can you get this? It is not possible. It is not possible. So it is compilation error. Very simple. You are missing the basics there. Look at this very carefully. Yeah, Mohit. Yeah, that's what you have to be very cautious on what you are doing and what you are handling. Yes. Now look into it. Swikriti is saying it is D, compilation error. Lasha also D, compilation error. Why? Short integer SI. SI is 1. Okay. Switch plus plus SI minus SI plus plus. Okay. Compilation error. Okay. Sahiti is also saying compilation error. Harsha, compilation. Okay.
compilation
Now, most of you people are returning compilation error. Mohit is saying it is by. Okay, default. Default by. Harsha also saying by. Okay, how you're getting that by, Mohit and Harsha? Can you tell me?
Sir, actually one L denotes like it's long, like case long. And in the expression after evaluating, we are getting switch of 0. So 0 is not defined in the case. So we will go to default and print by.
Okay, excellent. Okay, the other people, why we are getting that compilation error? Can you explain? Why we are getting compilation error? 1L and 2L. Yes, Vikriti. Very good. But those are valids only. Those are valid only. L denotes long only, na? C. In C, if you write, okay, something like size of 3.4. 3.4 . 3.4 . 3.4 . 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.4. 3.
साला 2 GB का रिकॉर्ड हो गया.
Not size of. I'll write something else. Let me write something like this. A equals to 3.14. Okay. Now, if I say, if yeah. So today you are facing problems, Lakshmi, with the internet. Yeah, no problem. So if A equals to 3.14, if I'm saying 3. Okay. If I say print A, okay, not this directly. If I say print %d size of 3.14, what is the answer? 3.4, what is the answer? Yeah, it happens, no problem, Madam Lakshmi, no problem. So we are humans, so that we can't do anything. So size of 3.14, I'm printing %d size of 3.14. I'm expecting an answer from this. For this, Sai Harsha is saying it is 4. One answer. Size of int basically, what is that, Harsha? Okay, 4, you have written 4. Mohit is returning 4. Yes? Come on, the others. Size of float is 4. Yeah, fine. Very good. The others, can't you return that simple question answer? Yeah, 4. 4. Svikriti 4. Lakshmi 4. Yeah. Lashya 4. Yes. The remaining people? Maybe you are also going to say 4. Yeah. Ganesh 8. Oh, one different answer. I got Ganesh is saying it is A. And the answer is 8 only. Why? Your compiler by default consider it as double. Not unsigned, it is double. 3.14 will be considered as double. So if I want 4 %d, I should say it as size of 3.4f. Now I'll get it as 4. So by default, it will be considered as double, remember. Okay, and it is void. So it is allowed to have 3.14 here or 3.14L here. Why? Because compiler knows what is F, what is L, and these are keywords. Float, a keyword. Double is a keyword, right? So that it is allowed here. Hence the output is what? Bye. Is that explanation clear to you all? Say yes or no. Very good. Oh, come on. For I equals to 1, for I equals to 0, I less than 10, I plus 3. Within that, I have got switch. In switch, I have got 3, 6, and breaker. What will be the final output? Okay, Harsha saying D. Hi, this is default. Okay, yes, it is Lasya Priya. D. Yes, it is infinite. How infinite execution? Let me check. For I equals to 0, I less than 10. Yeah, here you are missing. I plus 3, I equals to 0, 0, 6, then 0, no, I is 0, oh, 1 second, I is 0, then 3, then 6, then 9, then it is 12, right? I less than, yeah, it is infinite only. How?
Yeah,
How? Yeah, look at that carefully and then again ask me. Look at that carefully and ask me. Yes. Yeah, everyone is asking how. Yeah, how? You have to tell me how. Why? Not how. Now I am asking you. It is infinite only. Now I am asking you. Why? Not possible because we are doing break 2. Then for loop terminates.
Sir, I is not getting updated. It's just I
Yes,
plus 3.
exactly. Mohit is what saying the right. Here I did not say that I plus equals to 3. So it is I plus 3. I is not getting updated. It remains 3 forever. So that I less than 10 always true. It is infinite loop.
Also, switch case is not in the brackets.
Yeah. Switch case is not in the brackets, huh? What is
For loop.
in the for loop, huh? It is there in the for loop only. It is there in the for loop only. But you are not coming out. It is running for infinite times. That is what it is. Yeah, Lakshmi. So that's what people will try to confuse you always like this. So you should know how the operations will be performed by the compiler exactly and how it will be evaluated. If you are not clear on that, then how can you execute one code without knowing that? That will be a problem, na? That is also a problem, right? Huh. Yeah. Is there any question from your side for this? Sai Harsha. Then also infinite how, sir? Because break is also expected. Then also infinite. Okay. Sir, but in the first iteration, when I equals to 0, the default statement will execute and break. Who is said that? Two people. Let me check. What is that? You guys are saying both Harsha and Samartha. Yeah. Let me check. What is that? For I equals to 0. So this is there in the for loop. Opened here. Closed here. Okay, single statement. That is fine. For I equals to 0. For initially I equals to 1. Here it became 0. If it is 0, when it is 0, I less than 1. Switch I, case 3, okay, I is 0, it is true. When I is 0, hold on. When I is 0, case 03, case 6, break, and default. Default is break. Okay, this break is for switch. This break is for switch. Then what? Again, I is 0. This break is for switch. Yes, it is infinite only. Infinite only.
हाँ यार ब्रेक स्विच लेना है यार फॉर लूप ही चल रहा है
The break is applied to switch, not for the for loop. Yeah. Now is that clear? Very good. Very good. Very good. So maybe the last one for today. Is that really simple one? Not this. We'll go for one tough one and we'll leave. One more tougher one and we'll leave. What is that? No, it is not. No, it is not. Come on. So that's why, Lakshmi, that's why I'm asking you to observe carefully and execute it. So first we have to evaluate it on the paper. So all the time, why I am writing on the screen? So sometimes even I may go wrong with wrong answer, right? So to avoid such kind of scenarios, just I'll go through step by step. One more last question I want to show you. Hold on. Hold on. I'm going with the different questions. So let me check one last question for you. Maybe this. Yeah, the last one for you all. This is the question. This is the question I want you to. Yeah, Mohit, it is empty only. Yes, that is right answer for that.
PTR में
Now,
address of P आएगा
look at
100
this.
आ गया 100 आ गया फिर स्टार PTR करके स्टार PTR आ गया स्टार PTR कैसे आ सकता है अच्छा नहीं मान लो कंडीशन नहीं मान के अगर चले स्टार PTR 5 है या तो E होगा या तो फिर C होगा
Yeah, come on. Mohit, C compilation error as we have differencing an address of operator which comes as expression. Okay. Star PTR high. Okay. Lakshmi is saying yeah. Mohit is saying C. Okay. Svikriti C. Compilation error. Sai Harsha either A or C. No. Already I have given 4 choices. You have to choose one only, not 2 or 3 or either. But it should be A. It should be A. Okay. We need KBC sir sometimes. Okay. Oh, come on. Lasha is saying it is A. Hence, the answer is compilation error. Now, why the compilation error? Mohit?
Yes, sir. We have here. Yeah, we have here a dereferencing operator star PTR which evaluates like PTR plus 0 and star. So that is like a expression, and even address of operator is also means it's an operator plus operand, so it's also expression. That's why we can't have expressions in cases, we only can have constants.
Yeah, absolutely fine. But partially you are right. So here star PTR is not the expression, it is value only. Okay. Star PTR itself is presenting 5 over there. There is nothing wrong in this. This is absolutely fine. But you can't have address over there for the case. You can't have the address over there. So this is the wrong thing that we are getting. So that it is a compilation error. Lakshmi, what to repeat, madam?
हाँ यार देखा नहीं मैं
So that's what Mohit is saying is star PTR being as an expression, it is not valid. Not only that star PTR, he is also pointing that address of P is also an expression, so that this is also not valid. So that's why it is compilation errors. Okay, but now what I'm saying is star PTR is not an expression, it is just a value, it is absolutely fine.
Wait though.
This is absolutely fine. It is a value representing the value. It is fine. It is a constant only. PTR is constant. Star PTR is constant. Okay. You can have a variable there, right? So you can have a case 5, or you can have a case P, or you can have case star PTR. Both, all three are same. All three are constants only. There is nothing wrong in this. But here the thing is that you cannot have address of P over there. So that is the error that we have. Okay, my dears. That's all about the today session. Did we learn any new things from the today session? Lot. From whom? From Lakshmi, yeah? Yeah. Yes, sir. From Priya. Okay, Lakshmi from all. Yeah. The other guys? Mohit, Siddharth, and all? Yes, sir. Very good. Okay, fine. Yes, sir. Even if we know to be have more observation clear. Yes, sir. You, sir. You means what? Mohit, you others inputs helped. Yeah, Lakshmi. Thank you, sir, and guys. Very good, very good. Yes, guys. Okay, that's all about the today's session. Just always keep practicing, right? So this is Rakesh Ramraju, trainer, Campus Corporate Connect. Signing off. Wish you all the best. Always keep learning and keep coding. Thank you, guys.
ठीक है सर.
Sandhu sir, I'm going to end up the session here. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you.